Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Kit Club unboxing for July. So as you can see, I haven't even opened. Now I do have I did see some sneaks, but we're doing this together. Gimmies. Alright, so let's pull out. We have got some Pearl X powders, some texture paste. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, we've got a whole bunch of goodies here. I don't even know what I'm supposed to have. So hold on, let me get the cheat sheet and I'll be right back. Alright, I got me some things sorted out. So this month I will primarily be playing with the scrapbook kit. Let's zoom this in for you. And so this is the scrapbook kit. Everything over here is the mixed media kit, which I got as an extra. We do get a bit of a discount on it. Well, when I say a bit, it's a very nice discount. I've really enjoyed these kits, so it's always a pleasure. Alright, so we've got 12 by 12 paper, and it is by, I don't know, Sienna Bella paper. I don't know. It's called Blooming. I've never heard of this company. Yes, CIAO Bella paper. And this is a collection from March 2023. So, usable packaging. That is fabulous. Got some cut aparts going on. And this is a beautiful palette. Some butterflies, confetti cut. Love the mixed media. So we're going to have, and I love when companies do this, they have like one that if you're really not sure about how to do mixed media or adding things, you just stick your photo on here, add a few embellishments, and you're done. So that would be your A side. Your B side is more of a scrapbookers. You know, we're going to use some different things, and these are beautiful little pink, purple, and blue. I like this side. I will probably fussy cut a lot of these things out. So I've got this very big floral cluster up here. Lots of mixed media and distressing. Some what looks to be like dandelions that you bloop. And a butterfly. Over here, some beautiful scallops. You guys are going to hear a lot of noise because there's lots of construction going on. I apologize for my nails. I had them painted and I have to redo them. So they're not dirty. I just had some very dark black polish on there that my lovely friend Stephanie did for me when I was at a crop this past weekend. Today is Friday, June 21st. My company is observing the Juneteenth holiday today. Some people did have off Wednesday, but they let some of us take off on Friday to get a long weekend. So how fun is that? Thank you, company. Lots of cut aparts here that we can get some added embellishments with. And then the back is more of like that B-side. I don't know if you guys seen that, but holy, this is a fussy cutting situation that's going to happen. Could probably make that into some kind of fun shaker. Oof. And then on the back is just a very fun floral. Again, it's already got it clustered up for you. Throw your photo there. Beautiful yellow on the back. This one you could go any way. I kind of like it this way. Chuck your photos in here. And there's just some fun green. That's a butterfly wing, like close up. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous is that? Oh, everything about this is a beautiful collection. Fun little wreath. Confetti cut that out. Make a big shaker pocket out of that. Just a very fun tone on tone. This is cute. Flowers simply bloom wildly. I can read, I swear. Some more photo mats or shaker pockets that want to be, because you can cut this out, cut around. Oh yeah, that's what's happening there. Beautiful violin with some butterflies. So there's that. Also in the kit you get some laser cut dies. So we got this very big loopy loopy. You guys know my heart has the bees. So we've got this very fun bee laser cut wood veneer. We've got some 49th and Market florals, which I love. The one thing about these kits, she always puts the best florals in there. So more of those. And then these little guys as well. We had these one other time. Not real sure what they are though. It doesn't say. They're just, I don't know. I can't even pronounce the word. I'm not even gonna try. So that is the scrapbooking kit. So let's go ahead and put that back together. Did I miss? So there's no, okay. So I will be fussy cutting to get embellishments and pulling from my stash. Unless I missed something, but I think I did. We can check the... Nope. Alright. But that's okay, because I went shopping when I was at the crop. And here's our lovely mixed media kit. So we have some Finnabair art pebbles. So what are these? Let's just open them up and look. What do you guys say? I'm gonna say that they are like half gems. Yeah. So they're calling them pebbles, but they're just like little gems in various sizes. So that's cool. You know, I love me some of those. They will eventually go into a container like this when I am done with my design team. We have got some distressed texture paste, so we're just going to go ahead and kind of open this now without trying to cut myself. Sometimes. And it is Tim Holtz Distress Translucent. So that's going to be fun to play with. That will end up just sitting on my desk. Like I said, we have got some of the... That one's missing its label. So these are all Pearl X powders. We have got... I'm trying to find the color. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Verde. Oh, Spring Green. So we've got Spring Green. We've got Brilliant Yellow. Pumpkin Orange. And Salmon Pink. So a little close-up of our clusterly things there. We've got this beautiful laser cut house. Oh, I can't wait to see what I can make. And I will be pulling these items in for the scrapbooking kit. Oh, look at how cute this is. A little arch shutter. That is so cute. And then this very beautiful stencil. So that is the kits. So head on over to the Trace Jolie and pick you guys up some of these fabulous kits. Sign up for the August kits. I've seen sneaks of those. They are really beautiful. You guys are going to want to get your hands on those. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.